Hi guys! Are you looking for a property that's relatively near Katipunan where Ateneo and UP is? So without breaking the bank, ayan, this might be the property for you. So come on and let's check this amazing modern home here in Lower Antipolo / Marikina area. So ano pang hintayin natin? Tara! This property is located in Our Lady of Lourdes subdivision in Lower Antipolo. Pero ang access road po natin is Marikina area. So, pwede tayong mag-Marcos Highway or pwede ring Marikina going to Katipunan or Quezon City. And ang isa sa pinakamagandang part of this property is its price. So, you can have this amazing house without breaking the bank. So, pero mamaya na yun, yung presyo. Lot area of this property is 108 square meters with a floor area of 245. This is 3-story with basement. Natural topography po ng lupa nila yung basement. Kaya maganda kasi na-maximize po lahat yung ating floor area. Right now, we're at the front porch of the property and we have a few steps going up to the living area. So, tara po, pasok tayo. So this is a massive main door. Actually, this is mahogany main door going into the living room. Yan. So this is our living area. Sarado lang natin to. Yan. So this is our living area, which also you can accommodate your guests. Pero actually, meron pa tayong another living room or family area na pwede nating i-maximize later on. Yan, so you can put your couch here and then the TV on this side, on your right side. Yan, pwede rin dito. Yan. Pero actually, there are some living areas na hindi naman na nilalagyan ng TV nowadays. So, pwede kasi tayo maglagay din ng TV sa ating kwarto. For our living room pala, or living area, meron na rin tayong nakakabit na split type AC. Kasama na rin po yan sa ating selling price. Yan. And then, actually, the living area, just by looking at the layout of the house, it can also be your dining area. Kasi ito yung pinaka-proper kitchen mo eh. So, meron pa naman tayong area mamaya na I'll show you na pwede nating interchangeable living and dining area. Okay? Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, the design of the house is very, kumbaga, earth colors, brown, white, tsaka light brown lang. So, napakaganda kasi the house itself is parang one with nature. Yan. Mamaya makikita nyo yung napakagandang view sa ating roof deck area. So, this is our kitchen. You have a granite countertop here. And then you have also kitchen cabinets. Yan. Mga seamless na yan kasi and soft close of course. Yan. And then kung makikita nyo, our sink here is what we call digital waterfall design na siya. Ito na po yung mga pinakabagong design ng sink and faucet. Yan o. Yan o. Merong ganun o. Diba? And then you can put your dishwashing liquid here. Ito naman yung para po sa mga baso. Yan, ipipress lang ganun. Meron din siya actually digital display dito kapag naka-turn on. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda, parang Japanese style po yung vibe ng bahay. Kung if you've been to Japan, mapapansin nyo medyo ganyan yung fit out ng mga houses doon. This one can be your coffee nook kasi meron ka naman lutuan sa baba. You also have your service area later, I'll show you. And then your refrigerator can be placed here on your right side. Actually, ang kagandahan sa house na to, if nagpa-tripping kayo or nag-viewing kayo, meron tayong na-provide from the seller na kumbaga artist perspective na pwede natin gawin dito sa mga areas natin. Yan. So, let's head into the... Oh, sorry. Before we head into the interchangeable dining or living area, meron po tayong door dito. Meron tayong parang airwell, parang small balcony. Ito po yung likod ng property. Yan. So, airwell, yung ilalim natin, yung basement natin is the service area which we will show you later. Yan. So, kung type mo lang ng natural airflow, you can open this up para hindi laging bukas yung AC natin. Okay? So, eto na po yun. Yung next. So, this area is a private area. Kumbaga hindi siya sobrang exposed dun sa pagpasok ng bahay. So, pwedeng ito yung living room nyo. Diba? Or pwede rin ito yung dining room nyo. It's your call. Depende po sa kumbaga imagination nyo na. Diba? Yun yung napakaganda dun. Pero ang main advantage of this place is hindi siya sobrang kita pagpasok mo, di ba? So, if you have kids, yung couch mo dito and then naka-wall hanging TV mo doon, nag-surround sound ka, even if you have guests there, hindi masyadong, alam mo yun, kitang-kita yung kids or kung ano man yung ginagawa dito. Yan. And then, this door leads to our first toilet and bath. Yan. Actually, medyo ano lang, may busted light lang. Pero, the color palette is gray and white. And then there's a touch of brown dito sa ating sink. Saksak natin to para may additional ilaw. Yan. O, di ba? Ang ganda. You have your mirror with may backlight and then ano sobrang minimalist lang yung pagkakagawa sa kanya pero ang ganda ng quality. Ayan o. So, eto naman, it's for your guest. Actually, pwede nyo rin gawing bedroom yan. Yung nasa labas, yung pinanggalingan natin kanina. Meron na rin siyang, actually, ganda ng shower yan. Shower head. Then you have natural, with ano dito, may windows tayo magkabila pero meron pa rin tayong exhaust fan. So may natural exhaust ka na, may exhaust fan ka pa, di ba? And then you have yung mga sabitan ng towels, even extra towels can be put on top para at least pag nakalimutan, may naligo, nakalimutan magdala ng towel, di ba? Sometimes it happens. Yan, sarado natin to. Yan. So, it's very nice, minimalist, medyo Japanese yung style. So, going into the carport, ito, makikita nyo na po yung natural basement. Kasya po ang dalawang sasakyan dito and ang kagandahan, it's covered. Yan. So, this is our 2 carport. Actually, kung maliit yung kotse nyo, kasya 3. Diba? Bukas lang akong ilaw. So, kasya po tatlo if medyo maliliit lang or sedan lang po yung mga sasakyan natin. Pero if SUV or van, dalawa po yung kasya dito. And then, this is, on your right side, this is our break room. Ayan. Ito po yung pwedeng considered fourth bedroom or pwede ring movie room, pwede ring workroom. Ayan, kung makikita nyo po, meron tayong mga artist. Ayan. Meron tayong artist recommendations dito. Pwede rin itong lagyan ng toilet and bath on your right side. Ito po, may nakaabang po tayo. Ayan. Left side pala, on your left side. Yan. Meron po tayong parang abang for a toilet and bath. So this one can be your fourth bedroom or your office or your hobby room, kung ano po yung gusto nyo ilagay dito. So this is our covered carport going into our service area. So yung mga galing sa palengke, yung mga from the wet market, eto na po yung ating service area o service kitchen. Yan. So ito po yung kanina nakita natin or yung pinakita namin sa inyo na service area. Meron din tayo, kung mapapansin nyo, we have a water pressure tank here. Yan, para at least hanggang third floor po natin, magagamit natin na maayos yung ating water supply. So, let's head into the staff room. Yan, diba? Meron tayong staff room and then we also have the toilet and bath for your staff. Yan. Actually, pwede to pang 2 tao yung staff room nyo. Kung dalawa yung magiging staff nyo or yaya at saka all around, diba? So, eto yung way actually papunta sa yan, mamaya papakita. Pero meron pa dito eto yung pinaka laundry area natin. Paglalagyan ng inyong washer and dryer. Yan, kompleto yan. And then, this is our staircase going to the living room. Yung kanina. Let's go up! So, that's our service area, di ba? Ang galing, meron parang secret staircase. Before we head upstairs, papakita lang namin sa inyo na meron pa tayong parang seamless, secret door dito. Nandyan yung, ang tawag natin, breaker natin. And then, pwede pa siyang storage. So, at least, ano siya, concealed. Diba? Parang part lang siya ng wall. Ang ganda nung pinaka-design niya. Very minimalist. So, let's go to the second floor. Yan. Welcome to our second floor. Let's check the first bedroom. Yan. This is our first bedroom. So, meron na rin tayong built-in closet. So, most likely, if you have kids, eto siguro yung smaller kids room. Yan. Pero later, parang papalaki siya, ipapunta sa master's bedroom. So, size is about more or less 4 by 5, 20 square meters. And then, you also have the built-in closet. Yan. And then, meron tayong windows here. Pag binuksan mo, ang hangin. Ang sarap ng hangin dito. And then, mas ma-appreciate niyo yung view later. Let's go to the second bedroom. Yan. Yan. This one's bigger than the first one. Yun nga yung nabanggit namin kanina. Dito, kasya kahit queen size bed. Maluwag pa siya. Yung sa kanina, pwede namang queen size, medyo ano lang. Sisikip. So, pwede siyang double or double deck, double bed. And then, you have the windows, which mas kita nyo na po yung magandang view later. Yan. Mas maganda pa sa roof deck later, makikita nyo. Yan. For our bedrooms, meron na rin, may mga closet na siyang kasama. Although sa mga bedrooms natin, meron naman tayo naka-bank for split type na AC. Yan. After this, let's check the common toilet and bath or shared toilet and bath. Yan. Yan. Dito, kompleto na yung ilaw. Kanina may busted na isang ilaw. So, yun. Actually, same naman yung design for the first floor toilet and bath. Saka ito, even the finishes are the same. So, ngayon, medyo mas malinaw na. Mas kita nyo na siya. Meron na tayo glass enclosure here. Then the shower. So, yung shower head mo. Kulang mo na lang would be the water heater. And then the rest, kompleto na tayo. And then, color palette is the same. Gray, white, saka may touch of brown. Before we head into the master's bedroom, set muna natin itong isang pintuan na to, kung ano ba to. Yan. So, welcome to our balcony. Napakaganda and it's spacious. Actually, kahit hindi mo nalagyan ng turf grass to, ang ganda na nung ginamit nilang tiles. This can be your, kumbaga, tambayan area with you and your family, your wife, or with your partner. Or kung ikaw lang mag-isa, sabi nga ni Mr. BJ Oliva, ang sarap mag-ML dito. Aabutin ka na ng madaling araw dito, di ba? Luwag eh. Tapos, pag naka-open na ganyan, oh, di ba? Ang ganda. And then, on your right side, left side pala, sorry, meron tayong glass balcony. Yan. Kapunuan lang po, karamihan dito. It's more on trees, more on nature, kaya napakatahimik din. Yan. Ngayon pupunta na tayo sa... Actually, yung master's bedroom natin, hindi pa yun yung main event. Meron pa tayong main event after that. Yan. Welcome to our master's bedroom. Yun, no? Wow. Nice. It's very nice, it's very minimalist, very consistent yung pinaka-vibe natin from ground floor to the bedrooms and even later sa roof deck natin. So, most likely this is gonna be your headboard ng inyong bed. Kahit king-size bed, kasya po dito, maluwag. And then you have your glass windows here. Actually, parang na siyang glass wall kasi almost floor to ceiling height na siya. Pero, ang kagandahan dyan, ginamitan pa rin siya ng parang wood. This is not wood. Pero yung pinaka-design niya, it's like wood. So, it's very consistent. And then, meron na rin tayong split type AC na kasama for the master's bedroom. Actually, this one, hinirit ko na to sa seller. Sasama na rin daw to. Itong napakagandang lighting natin dito. And then, meron tayong semi-walk-in na closet. Ayan. Ayan. Pinipindot lang to actually. Ayan, hinanap ko lang kung nasa. Ayun, nice. Dito ba? Ayun. Nice, it's nice. Ang lakas mga Japanese talaga. press mo lang din. Yan, babalik na ulit siya, sarado na ulit. Diba? Oh, nice. Okay. Very seamless. And then, meron tayong sliding door going to our toilet and bath. Master's toilet and bath. Wow, luwag. Actually, maluwag. For the toilet natin, actually, it's a smart water closet. Pag nakasaksak yan, or pag naka-plug in, pag ginanon mo, automatic maangat yung seat niya. Ayan. Kaya, meron siyang plug doon. Ayan. Tapos, yung mga Japanese toilets, di ba, may sarili ng panghugas. I mean, yung bidet nila, built-in na, ganyan din yon. Here is your remote for your water closet. Social, di ba? Ayan, very modern na. And then, of course, your matte gray na shower. Actually, piano keys na rin yung gamit dito. Digital din. Digital piano keys. Shower. And then, maluwag din siya. And then you have this. Lalagyanan ng shampoo, lotion, lahat ng kailangan ng wife nyo. Ang haba niyan, isang buo. Kompleto na. Ang idadagdag na lang natin for this one is the water heater. And then of course, you have your sink and faucet here. Pag sinaksak natin yan, meron na rin tayo. Tara! Ganda, di ba? Actually, this one's very thoughtful. Lahat ng toilet and bath nila meron ganito. Sa mga hotels kasi, di ba, yung mga face towel dito nakalagay. So, dito rin meron ganun sa lahat ng toilet and bath nila. So, that's very thoughtful kasi useful siya. Hindi siya common pero it's useful. The crowning glory of the property. Yan, excited na ba kayo? Tara! Welcome to the crowning glory of this amazing house. Ito talaga yung pinaka-paborito kong parte nito. Tingnan nyo naman po. Mananahimik lang po muna ako at ating namnamin ang ganda ng view. All year round po yan. Wala pong makakaagaw ng view nyo kasi this house, the natural topography is mas mataas doon sa kasunod na street. So kahit may magtayo ng bahay, which may bahay na ngayon, kahit magtayo pa sila ng sagad 10 meters, hindi po tayo matatakpan dito. So safe na safe po itong view nyo na to. So this roof deck can house your family party, yung mga Christmas Eve, tsaka New Year's Eve. Ganda po nito. Or if you want, you can also enclose this. Lagyan nyo po ng salamin. Pa-aircon nyo rin if you want. Pero napakaganda nito as your family area. Pero mo kayo lang yung may view na ganyan dito. Pero you're not too far from Metro Manila, right next to Marikina and Quezon City lang tayo. So, ito, napakaganda pa nito. Ang dami pa pong potential ng property nito if you want to enclose this roof deck area. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So this property is located in Our Lady of Lourdes in Lower Antipolo / Marikina Heights area, Marikina area. Ang access road po natin is Champaka, pero napakalapit po natin sa Ayala Malls, Marikina. It's about 5 minutes away siguro from Ayala Malls, Marikina. And actually, malapit din tayo sa SM Masinag kung familiar po kayo sa area. If your kids are studying in Ateneo or in UP, you can really consider this house. This house stands on a 108 square meter lot area with the floor area of 245. It has 2 carports, 3 to 4 bedrooms kasi break room po pwede natin gawing bedroom, and pwede rin siyang lagyan ng toilet and bath. Right now, it has 3 toilet and bath pero pwede rin maging 4 toilet and bath. And then it has this amazing roof deck na may impeccable view or ayan, amazing view. So the asking price for this property is just 16.9 million pesos. Actually, negotiable pa po yan. If you have further questions, you can reach us on the numbers below. Kung gusto nyo po makita in real life itong napakagandang property na to, huwag po kayo mag-atubili. Just call us on the numbers below. You can also reach us and follow us through our socials, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course, our YouTube channel. Yan. Please subscribe. Malapit na po kami mag 3,000 subscribers and marami pong salamat sa lahat ng patuloy na nanonood at sumusuporta sa aming YouTube channel. This is RV again, your realtor on duty, and see you on the next one. Peace!